I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by choosing a quit date within 1 week and telling a few supporters. This creates accountability. Once done, clear triggers. Throw out cigarettes, lighters, and ashtrays, and wash clothes and surfaces. Make a nicotine replacement or prescription plan with a clinician or pharmacist and schedule follow-ups. You'll need physical preparation plus a quick mental commitment. These steps reduce withdrawal peaks and give you practical tools to replace smoking when cravings hit. So act now and set up support. You focus on handling middle-phase challenges by using replacement tools at the first sign of craving, chew gum or use a lozenge, and use a patch to smooth baseline withdrawal. Then change routines. If coffee or driving triggers you, alter the sequence. Drink tea, sit elsewhere, or take a different route. Practice quick breathing. Inhale for 4, hold, exhale slowly, repeat 3 times to blunt acute urges. Make a 5-10-minute distraction list, walk, call someone or do a task to outlast cravings. You finish by reinforcing new non-smoking identity. Mark 24 hours, 7 days, and 30 days with a healthy reward to strengthen motivation. If you slip, don't fail the whole process. Analyze what triggered you, restart the plan within 24 hours, and apply lessons immediately. Make sure to seek counseling or ask your clinician about adjusting medications if cravings or mood issues continue past 4 weeks. This targeted troubleshooting prevents longer relapse cycles and turns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.